In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable local delivery and pickup options in your Shopify store. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to configure your store to offer these convenient options, making it easier for your customers to receive their orders in a way that best suits them. First, let's focus on setting up local pickup. Head over to your Shopify admin and navigate to the Settings menu. Once there, select Shipping and Delivery. This section controls various shipping options you can offer, and it's where we'll be setting up both local pickup and delivery features. Scroll down until you see the local pickup section. Here, you'll need to select the specific location you want to enable this service at. Perhaps it's your physical store or a warehouse, wherever it may be. Select the suitable location from the list. After selecting your desired location, look for the option that says, "This location offers local pickup," and ensure it's enabled. It's also important to communicate effectively with your customers, so you'll need to set the expected pickup time. This gives them a clear idea of when their order will be ready for pickup. Along with this, provide any necessary pickup instructions. These might include details about where to park, which entrance to use, or even contact information if they need assistance upon arrival. Once you've entered all the relevant details and you're satisfied with your setup, don't forget to click Save to apply these changes. Next, let's move on to setting up local delivery. Again, start by navigating to the shipping and delivery settings in your Shopify admin. Once you're in the shipping and delivery settings, scroll down to find the local delivery section. Here, choose the location from which you want to offer delivery services. Like with pickup, enable the option that indicates this location offers local delivery. Now, defining your delivery area is crucial. You have two options here. You can either specify the delivery area by entering specific zip codes or by setting a delivery radius from your location. Entering zip codes provides precise control, which is great for urban areas with many boundaries. On the other hand, setting a radius might be more suitable for suburban or rural areas. Furthermore, it's essential to set clear expectations regarding the minimum order amount for deliveries. This ensures delivery logistics are cost-effective for your business. Additionally, outline the delivery charges to avoid any confusion or surprises for your customers when they check out. Transparency here helps in building trust and ensuring a smooth customer experience. After configuring all these options, make sure to click Save. And there you have it. Your local pickup and delivery options are now set up on your Shopify store. These features not only enhance the shopping experience for your customers, but also allow you to manage logistics more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.